Stop. Please don't skip this video. Dear loving friends, what am I telling now? Please listen to me very carefully. You know, I am a passionate learner to learn English and speak English fluently. And I am also a super crazy to learn English. Dear loving friends, you all are the judge. Now you will judge. Am I improving or am I improving my pronunciation? Am I improving my English? Please let me know in the comment box. You know, because you are the judge for myself. Dear loving friends, if you know how can I improve myself, please let me know in the comment box. How can I improve my listening skills, speaking skills, and reading skills, writing skills? How can I improve all? So, dear loving friends, let me know in the comment box. Then I will get a lot of chance from you, and I will be able to improve myself very properly. Thank you all. I will not make it longer anymore. I am just waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.